Have you ever used, or perhaps even seen this cable? This is the FLYABILITY range extender for the ELIOS drone series. In this video, we go over everything you need to know when using this extender, from how to use it to proper placements, safety precautions, signal propagation, handling, and maintenance. The range extender is, as the name suggests, an antenna that is used to extend the radio signal between the drone and the remote control. The most common use cases for the range extender are sewer inspections, underground construction, chimneys, and generally all enclosed spaces in non-reflective environments. The purpose is to reduce the number of turns the signal would have to make to reach the aircraft in flight. It consists of three elements: the cable, the power module, and the antenna module. The cable of the range extender is 20 meters long and connects the power module and the antenna module. The housing is fitted with highly reflective stickers to increase the visibility of the device. To fully charge the ELIOS 1 battery needed to power the extender, we use the supplied intelligent charger with charge level indicator. Once the battery is fully charged, cover the green plug with insulating tape to prevent a short circuit and pack it in your equipment. Check that the battery is in good condition and not swollen before connecting it to the power module. Then insert it into the power module of the range extender. Make sure that the battery is strapped down so that it cannot come loose. Unscrew carefully the two standard antennas of the RC. Never switch on the remote control if neither the standard antennas nor the range extender are connected. Failure to do so can seriously damage the remote control. Be very careful when handling the cable tips of the range extender. Connect the two REX cables. Secure the connection with the carabiner. Plug the battery into the power module. If you forget to do so, and you fly without the REX being powered, the range of the signal will be limited to a couple meters from the RC. During use, the range extender will beep every 10 minutes to let you know how much battery is left. You can now switch on the remote control. It's time to securely attach the power module to a solid object to prevent the cable from pulling on the remote if the antenna is pulled away. This can happen, for example, in underground mines during a rockfall. Do not attach the range extender to yourself. It is not recommended to use the harness while using the range extender. For best results, you should try to place the antenna module within sight of the drone. This allows for better transmission of the signal. To attach the antenna module to a specific location, use the integrated tripod mount or simply wrap the cable around a fixed object. In many scenarios, it is easiest and quickest to let the antenna module hang from above. Do not throw the extender, as the antenna can easily be damaged this way. The range extender is not waterproof and will not function properly if it comes into contact with water. Pay particular attention to the radio signal strength during the first flight after installing the range extender. Make sure that you can carry out your inspection without risk. Remember that the ELIOS 3 now has return to signal that automatically returns the drone to a stable connection in the event of a loss of transmission. When working with the range extender, it is important that it is not in the way. Make sure that the cable is properly secured and keep the unused length of cable rolled up so that you do not trip over it when flying. After use, first switch off the remote control and disconnect the battery in the power module. Then unlock the carabiner and unscrew the cables connected to the remote control. It is strongly recommended that you follow the natural curvature of the cable when rolling up the range extender. As the cable used is very thick, it is difficult to twist it against its natural shape, and it takes up more space when it is rolled up. Before storing the range extender in a dry place, you should clean it. When used in dusty or humid environments, such as a mine or sewer, the cable and antenna module tend to collect dirt and debris. You can clean the outside of the system with a damp cloth, lightly moistened with water, or a mild cleaning solution. Prevent moisture from entering the openings, and do not spray any liquid directly onto the system. Do not use sprays, abrasive cleaners or solvents, which could damage the surface of the devices. Clean the SMA connections on the RC and the cables regularly to ensure consistently high performance. Now you know everything about the range extender. Good luck with your next mission.